Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another gadget. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to use the Apple app called the Pages, which is the word processor for the Apple computers. So I'll be using my Mac OS right here for my demonstration. So let's check it out on how to use the Pages Unix app right here in our Mac OS. This is the gadget. So I'm right now in my laptop, which is the MacBook, and I am actually using the different types of document, but most of the time I use Canva for my presentation. But I want to do something else, like how about if I have some documents to print on or to just type? So I have to go to my Pages, which is actually the Microsoft document in Mac OS, the word processor. So I have to just click on the icon Pages and then click the templates, and I have this option. I have different types, like from the basic to the reports to the books, letters, resume, flyers, posters, newsletters, stationaries, certificates, and some of the invoice and brochures. And of course, I'm just gonna start with the blank page and create it. So let me maximize this one first. And of course, I have to full length that one. So I have this page, it's blank. I don't have anything yet right now. So how to do something like some documents. For example, I have to write some letter, dear sir, and space to may concern, and blah 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 blah. Okay, so what if I have to do something like a header? So for example, I'm currently using the RialbbeTV as my brand. So how do I do this? Of course, let me go to my text format right here and go to the center so that I will be centering this brand. And if I want to have like different fonts, I have to go right here. So different fonts, like for example, if I wanted to do a little bit like this kind of font, it's small, so I need to crank it up a little bit, like higher, like make it like 20. So there you have it. How about if I want to make it like different color? So I have to click that one, text color, for example orange, or maybe some color wheel right here. So it's up to you to use the color wheel. If you want, like make it like bluish, darker, lighter, opacity at the same time right here, like 50%, 100%, it's up to you, as I said. And of course, I want to have like different style. For example, it is like a column with 2 or 1, or it's really up to you. Indentation right here, and some tabs right here, and go back to our style. So basically it's just like in Word, right? So you could also insert like page, line, or section. For example, if I want to create a line right here, line break, so it will be like this one, right? So how about if I want to have another section right here, like I have to put a 2-column break. There you have it. How about if I have to do something else, like to put the time and date? So I have to make it above the DSLR, and then click the time and date. Of course, there you have it. But if I want to do it like on the other side, on the right, it's still up to you. What kind of style do you want? And of course, for example, if I want to have a table insert right here, just go there and you have all the options right here. Either it will be like this, or it depends on what kind of table, what you want to insert. Okay, so let me see. Where is dear sir? Okay, let's copy this one, paste it after the dear sir again. All right. And of course, if I want to put another, like some charts, of course, I have the 3Ds right here. So cool, right? Basically, it's just like that. From region 1, region 2, it's up to you. If you have some data to insert, just edit right here and click. And there you have it. We have different types of data right here. It's up to you. It's basically, it's for statistics. It will be very easy to understand. For example, if I want to add another text right here on the bottom, like have some text right here. I have text box right here. Let me see. For example, if this text will be test, and then I want to make it like blue. Let me see. How about some borders? If I wanted to put some borders like this one, this is test result. Okay, test result 1, result 2, so there you have it. How about if I want to have some shadow, like there, reflection there, cool, right? And some text right here. It's up to you if you want to have the red or the just plain, right? Okay, so let me see. How about some shapes? Let's add more shapes. For example, let's add some geometric, like the cylindrical shape right here. There, cool. Change color, well, it's still up to you if you want to change color. Like, let me do the style first. There. And then the text, I forgot the text. So, test 1. Oh, can it be seen, right? So how do you say, let's try to make it darker. Oops, I forgot to highlight it, and then let's make it darker. Cool, right? So that's how you make your documents right here. Let's go for our media. You can insert your videos, pictures, images, and all those stuff, even your audio right here, or take some pictures from your webcam, scan documents, and some sketch. It's really up to you. Comment at the same time. You could add some comments so that it will be like when you hover these area, it will have some information too, right? So that's how you use the pages. And how do you save this one? So either you have the options right here on save, on the file tab, and then click the save, or you could go to right here on the top area and then double click it, and then just type in test 1 and then try to save it by clicking out there, and you have your data already saved. Cool, right? So that's how we use right here in our pages. So it is not too hard. It's just basically like Office, but you are not using the Office, but a Pages application, which is exclusive to our Apple computers, Mac OS, iPad, and iPhones. So that's how we use the Pages application right here as we demonstrate it. How about if we close it? Well, for example, we just close it right here, and then it will ask you if you have to save it or not, revert to change. Well, let's click save for that one, and then voila, it's finished. So that's how we use the Pages. So how do you look for some pages if you accidentally delete it in your Mac OS? So go to the App Center and then just go to search bar right here and then look for Pages. Just type Pages and then enter, and then there you have it. You have your Pages right here. If accidentally close or delete it, you could you see this as get to install it and not the open. Okay, so there you have it, how to use a very good and free word processor right here on Mac. This is designed for our documents and layouts, not like in Windows that you need to have one application for one particular purpose. Right here in Mac, we only have one for almost for our pages, like from documents, digital, books, CVs, posters, reports, and many others. This is actually the word processor of the Mac. So Pages is one of the best options for us who are using the Mac OS as our daily driver. It will be more progressive if you just use it, because it's actually powerful compared to the Microsoft Windows, the Word application, the Office suite. So basically it's just awesome compared to Microsoft. So anyway, if you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. That's it for now for our gadget, Pages of Apple app. I am Blair. Bye for now and see you in the next adventure. Ciao.